knocking at the door. Simple moments, sweet and slow, in the place we love and know. Home is where the heart can rest. Simple things are always best. Baking memories today, as the music fades away. Smell of coffee, touch of grace, smile upon a friendly face. Time is moving soft and kind. Peace of mind is what we find.
Stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, Sunlight on the sea reminds me of where we used to be. Your hair caught in the wind, like a sail, you're drifting far from me. In my mind we're playing hide and seek, guiding me while the waves silence speak. You're gone but still you're with me. You will always be my love, always be my love, my love, my love. I better find a way. Or does it really matter? I better find a way in the dark. Echoes of your laughter, every silence wears your mark. You are in my blood, I'm pouring weak. You're hiding in the waves, you sigh and speak. You're gone but still you're with me. You will always be my love.